Welcome to a groundbreaking exploration in the world of blockchain technology. Today, we're embarking on an extraordinary journey into the heart of Cosmos, the revolutionary Internet of Blockchains. Imagine a digital universe where blockchains don't just coexist, but communicate, collaborate, and evolve together. That's Cosmos, a platform not just transforming the blockchain landscape, but redefining it entirely. Are you intrigued by how blockchain can be more than just a buzzword? Curious about how Cosmos is challenging the status quo of digital currencies? Or maybe you're a tech enthusiast, eager to grasp the future of decentralized networks. Whatever your interest, stay tuned as we unveil the fascinating capabilities of Cosmos, reveal its impact on the crypto world, and explore its potential to shape the future of digital transactions and beyond. But that's not all. We'll dive into the heart of Cosmos's unique ecosystem, understand the role of its native token, Atom, and discover its game-changing approach to issues like interoperability and scalability. Plus, we'll shed light on how Cosmos is making waves in the DeFi space, challenging giants like Ethereum. So, buckle up for an enlightening journey that promises to stretch your understanding of blockchain technology. Let the exploration begin. Hello, and thank you for joining us here at Crypto Dominion. I'm Alison, and I'll be giving you the most up-to-date advice and strategies for everything pertaining to the crypto universe, in addition to a great deal of information regarding the enterprise as a whole and its expansion patterns. So, if you're interested, click the subscribe button. On the channel, we frequently upload content related to cryptocurrencies. You may increase your chances of winning our continuing giveaway of a MacBook by giving us a like, clicking the button to subscribe, and leaving a comment below. There will be more info at the end. Let's get started. Cosmos stands out in the blockchain realm as a decentralized network, adept at bridging various blockchains while ensuring asset security through its innovative proof-of-stake governance. This unique ecosystem is powered by the Tendermint BFT consensus algorithm and the IBC protocol, enabling seamless communication between diverse blockchains. Atom, the native token of Cosmos, not only serves as the network's currency, but also allows holders to partake in network governance and earn rewards through staking. The potential of Cosmos continues to grow, driving blockchain advancements with its focus on interchain security and development of various applications and services. Envisioning a new blockchain world with Cosmos. Cosmos envisions a world where decentralized blockchains can effortlessly communicate and transfer assets, overcoming the challenges of sovereignty, scalability, and sustainability. As a network connecting independent blockchains, Cosmos uses the Tendermint BFT consensus algorithm and POS governance to realize this dream. The innovative design of Cosmos facilitates efficient scaling, ensuring each zone operates independently, thus reducing congestion and improving transaction speed. Validators play a crucial role in securing the network and validating transactions, utilizing their staked Atom tokens as collateral. The Cosmos network is a step towards an interoperable and scalable blockchain ecosystem. The dynamic Cosmos ecosystem. The Cosmos ecosystem is a vibrant and flourishing space, encompassing a wide array of applications, services, and tools built on the Cosmos network. This ecosystem addresses various industries, including decentralized finance, DeFi, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, gaming, and social networks. Managing over 48 billion in digital assets, Cosmos has attracted diverse projects, contributing to its rich and collaborative nature. Core technologies of Cosmos. The foundation of Cosmos lies in three core technologies: the Tendermint BFT consensus algorithm, POS governance, and the Inter-Blockchain Communication (IBC) protocol. These technologies collaborate to ensure secure and efficient communication across blockchains, tackling traditional blockchain network challenges. Tendermint BFT offers fast transaction processing with Byzantine fault tolerance, maintaining network consensus even amidst malicious actors. The Tendermint Core Consensus Engine ensures consistency across the network, setting Cosmos apart from traditional blockchain platforms. Proof of Stake presents a sustainable and scalable consensus mechanism. In Cosmos, validators are selected based on their staked Atom, incentivizing network-friendly actions. POS reduces energy consumption and allows for consensus before block creation, enhancing scalability. Inter-blockchain communication protocol facilitates asset and data exchange between independent blockchains and the Cosmos Hub. It supports crypto and NFT transfers and enables cross-chain smart contracts, fostering unprecedented interoperability and collaboration, developing with Cosmos, the Cosmos SDK. The Cosmos SDK is an open-source toolkit enabling developers to build sovereign blockchain apps with ease. It offers a modular framework, customizable components, and exceptional flexibility for creating innovative blockchain solutions. The modular framework simplifies development, allowing quick and efficient deployment of blockchain applications. Developers can select and arrange modules to suit their needs, focusing on unique application aspects while leveraging pre-built functionalities. The Cosmos SDK's customizability and flexibility empower developers to design solutions tailored to specific requirements. The Application Blockchain Interface, ABCI, connects custom state machines with Cosmos's consensus engine, enhancing application customizability. Cosmos versus Ethereum and Polkadot. Cosmos differentiates itself from platforms like Ethereum and Polkadot with its focus on interoperability and developer-friendly features. While Ethereum has a first-mover advantage with a vast ecosystem of decentralized applications, Cosmos's innovative approach offers unique benefits, attracting developers and investors. The Cosmos team and origins. Founded by Jae Kwon and Ethan Buckman, Cosmos released its white paper in 2016 and software in 2019. Backed by the Swiss Interchain Foundation and Tendermint, Cosmos developed its core technologies. The Atom token, introduced through a 2017 ICO, raised over $17 million, fueling the ecosystem's growth. Cosmos as an investment, the Atom token. Atom, serving multiple roles in the Cosmos network, has shown significant gains as an investment option. Available on various platforms, it's essential to research and assess risks before investing. Monitoring the Atom price can guide investment decisions. Securing your Atom tokens. After acquiring Atom, ensure their safety in a cryptocurrency wallet, avoiding exchange storage risks. Hardware wallets like Ledger Nano X and S, mobile wallets like Cosmos Station and Atomic Wallet, and web wallets like Cosmos Station, Kepler, and Looney are reliable choices. Staking and governance in Cosmos. The Cosmos network's security and governance depend on Atom staking. Validators engage in decision-making and network security, rewarded based on their staked Atom. This incentivizes network-friendly actions, ensuring stability and integrity. As we continue to explore the Cosmos network, it's essential to understand how it's not just reshaping the blockchain landscape, but also setting new standards for the future of decentralized technology. This extension of our journey delves deeper into the advancements and potential of Cosmos, highlighting why it's much more than just another blockchain platform. Advancements in interoperability and scalability. One of Cosmos's most significant contributions to the blockchain world is its innovative approach to interoperability. Unlike traditional blockchain systems that operate in isolation, Cosmos acts as a unifier, enabling different blockchains to communicate and share information seamlessly. This interoperability is not just about transferring assets, it's about creating a unified network where diverse blockchain protocols can coexist and interact without barriers. Such a network paves the way for unprecedented collaborations and applications, potentially transforming entire industries from finance to supply chain management. Scalability has always been a pressing issue in blockchain technology, with networks like Bitcoin and Ethereum struggling to handle large volumes of transactions efficiently. Cosmos addresses this challenge through its unique architecture. By allowing multiple parallel blockchains to operate and interact, Cosmos prevents any single blockchain from becoming overwhelmed with transactional load. This approach not only enhances transaction speed, but also ensures that the network can scale to meet growing demands without compromising on security or decentralization. The role of Atom in the ecosystem. The Atom token is at the heart of the Cosmos ecosystem, but its role extends beyond just being a cryptocurrency. It's a pivotal element in maintaining the network's security and governance. Staking Atom tokens is not just about earning rewards, It's a form of participation in the network's well-being. Stakeholders have a say in the governance decisions, making Cosmos one of the more democratic blockchain platforms where the community plays an active role in shaping its future. Cosmos and decentralized finance, DeFi. Cosmos's impact on the DeFi space deserves special mention. DeFi has been predominantly Ethereum's playground, but Cosmos is changing that narrative. With its inter-blockchain communication protocol, Cosmos enables the creation of decentralized financial services that can interact with multiple blockchains. This capability opens up a world of possibilities for DeFi applications, from cross-chain lending and borrowing platforms to multi-currency stablecoins, providing more flexibility and efficiency than ever before. The future vision of Cosmos. Looking towards the future, Cosmos aims to be more than just a network of blockchains. Its vision is to become the foundation for a new kind of internet, an internet of blockchains where information and value flow as freely as data does on the traditional internet. This vision includes not only technological advancements, but also a commitment to building a more inclusive and decentralized digital economy. Cosmos is also actively working on sustainability initiatives, recognizing the environmental concerns associated with blockchain technology. Its proof-of-stake model is already a step in the right direction, significantly reducing the energy consumption compared to proof-of-work models used by networks like Bitcoin. The wrap-up. Cosmos's future is bright, with plans for interchain security and enhanced IBC connections, driving innovation in the blockchain space. Its focus on interoperability, sustainability, and developer-friendly design positions Cosmos to significantly impact blockchain technology's future. Its impact extends far beyond the realm of blockchain technology. Cosmos is at the forefront of a movement towards a more interconnected, efficient, and democratic digital world. Its commitment to innovation, scalability, and sustainability positions it as a leading force in the future of decentralized technology. Before I send you on your way, let's talk about the giveaway item. A brand new MacBook will be given away when we reach 50,000 subscribers. Simply like, subscribe, and leave a comment on this video to be entered to win. Because this is truly random, the more videos you comment on, the higher your chances are. Hitting the notification bell with all notifications enabled is always the most effective approach to staying updated with the content. We invite you to continue following the Cosmos journey, witnessing how it shapes the future of blockchain and the digital economy. And if you enjoy everything crypto, check out our other videos. Thanks for checking out this channel. Stick around, we'll be posting again real soon.